Hello again. Right, a friend of mine came to work the other day and he brought me this old hammer. Now, he's had this hammer since he was about 20 years old, so he's had it almost 40 years. And he was doing a job with it the other day, pulling some fixing pins out of a door casing, and snapped it. And you can go buy a new hammer for next to naught these days, but he brought it into work and asked me if there's anything that I can do with it. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. I'm going to make this old useless hammer useful again. It's a decent hammer. It's a 20-ounce Stanley, made in England. So yeah, let's see if I can fix this old hammer for him. Right, that's the broken shaft that I'm going to copy. That's the hammerhead with a piece in the middle taken out. That's 14 inch, or it's just short of 14 inch, so I'm going to cut my shaft to 14 inch. I've got two pieces to try. I've got this nice piece of oak here, but it has got a little split in it, and I don't know how far that split goes. Or I've got this piece of an old door here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop this at 14 inch. And see how far that crack goes down, because I think I'd rather use that. If not, I'm going to make it out of this. The crack ran too deep on this piece of oak, so that's no good. So I'm on to my second option, this piece of door.
It's a very manly space, for some a sacred place. For we can worship, we can fun, where stuff takes shape and things get done. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame, we must grow. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. Take ideas from your head, go make them in your shed. You cut and sand and turn your hand, create great things across the land. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. With a soft spot for your tools, you're breaking all the rules. It's home from home, you're in the zone, perfecting skills you work alone. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame, we must grow. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. We prize patience here, not haste. That's why nothing goes to waste. Use what you've got, waste not, want not. You'll make things work no matter what. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame, we must grow. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell.
Could this be where it all goes wrong? I hope not. That's alright. The only thing I can see wrong there is this slightly too much material on this side there. So I'm just going to get my finger sander in there and bring that down a bit. Right, a little bit of Danish oil on the shaft to finish. Right, there you go. Old oak door into new oak hammer shaft. I know that door came off an old farmhouse. I remember bringing it away, so that door's probably 100 years old. So I'm assuming now that the handle on this is older than the head, because I think that's about 40 years old. Yeah, so I actually prefer that to that now. I wish that were mine. I should give him that one instead. So there, I've sorted it out for you, but no, I won't do that. Yeah, you can tell that's homemade. You can tell it's handmade and not factory made, but it's just got character. It just, to me, that just looks nice now. So I'm going to give him that tomorrow, and hopefully he'll like it. Right, thanks for watching. See you again. Cheers, bye.